full of blueberries. Okay, done. Wash your hands. Mila's cook. Make it with Mila. Welcome to Mila's cooking show. Today we're making blueberry squares. First we need to wash our hands, and I need my apron and my hat. Have sugar, some oranges right in here, and like some blueberries. Okay, I'm gonna do sugar to make it sweet. Blueberries. I love blueberries. Uh-oh. I'll put a white bait on here. Okay. This. Okay. Then stir it up. Oh, so bumpy. It's like we're making blueberry cupcakes. We're making like blueberry square. Okay, I'm done. Oh, some blueberry stuck. I love blueberries. I don't put it on the stove for 10 minutes. Mommy, please. Mommy here. Now we need to mix it with our hand. First we need to put flour in here. Whoa, don't get the flour. And then sugar! Brown sugar. Okay. And then baking soda. Salt. Oats. And then butter. One is vegan butter. Vegan butter, vegan butter, vegan butter. Vegan butter, vegan butter. Vegan butter, vegan butter, vegan butter. A hand. Pop it. Okay. Now we need to mix it up. And chomp it up too. Out of cooked blueberries. Now we need corn starch. And soda. Now we need to get our hands and mix it all up. Wow, so dry. Like Play-Doh. It's like Play-Doh we're making. Play-Doh. Yeah, so much fun. Yeah. Yikes. My hands are so dirty. I don't want to be so dirty. Take half of the dough and flat it in the pan. I need that to do. Okay, this one. Now we need to put the jelly on this dough. Let's go. You love this. Well, then you will eat it. And if you can. And they don't have that. And no milk. Okay, so eat it. I'll eat it. here, way over here. So that's the rest. Next video, cookie. Next video, and magic. We need to put it over there. I need somebody to hold it when I get down. It's out and then in squat. Let's try it. Let's save some for Casey because he likes this. Okay.